This is chapter 2.1 and 2.2, number 5. Question says, the number of rushing yards per year by a running back of a team has described approximately linear from 1,836 yards in 2004 by 24 yards in 2008. Let R be a player's number of rushing yards in the year that is T, years since 2000. Find an equation of a linear model to describe the data. So in this problem, we're going to find the linear equation. To do that, we go y equals mx plus b. We find the slope, which is equal to m equals y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So we go back to our problem, and we see we got these numbers here. 1,836 yards in 2004 and 24 yards in 2008. We're trying to find R and T. So what we do is we come here, we put 2004 to 1836 and 2008 to 24. Finding the slope, we reduce the 24 and do it as a 4 and 2008 as an 8. We come here, once we get 4 and 1,836 and 8 with 24, we do the slope, which in the slope form we do m equals 24 minus 1,836 and 8 minus 4. When we subtract that, we get negative 1,812 over 4. We come and simplify this and we divide it. Once we divide it, we find that m, our slope, which we're finding t years, is negative 453. Once we find that, we plug it in here. Y equals negative 453x plus b. Now we're going to look for b. And how do we look for b? We get one of these equations, and I'm going to use this one. As you can see, I'm going to use this equation and plug it in to y equals negative 453x plus b. My y is 1,836, so I put it here, 1,836 minus negative 453. I'm going to substitute x with 4, so I put 4 plus b. When I multiply negative 453 with 4, I get 1,812. In order to get rid of this and let b on its own, I add to both sides. This cancels, and I add 8,836 to 1,812, and when I add this, I get 3,648. So that's my b. So since our equation is asking for R and T, come here and you put R equals negative 453 T yards plus 3,648. So that's our linear slope, our linear equation.